Guys, welcome to my Facebook. This is Jen. Kumusta po ang lahat? It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. Kasi umulan na po. Ayan, mababawas-bawasan na po ang init ng panahon, init ng ulo, init ng katawan, and iba pa. 'Di ba? Lahat ng init. Sana, pabugso-bugso lang. Ayan. At mag-ingat din tayo, no? Kasi sa mga panahong ito, nag-switch po ng weather from mainit, uulan, iinit na naman. Ang resulta nito is sipon, ubo, lagnat. So mag-iingat po ang lahat. Okay. Weekends. So kantahan po tayo mga langga. Ngayong araw na ito ay kakantahin ko po ang Carpenters medley. This is a lower pitch. Sana magustuhan niyo po. Okay, may isang song dito na hindi ko talaga siya alam. Nalaktawan ko lang siya. Anyway, who cares? So let's play the song, the medley song from Carpenters. Para po sa inyong lahat. Touch me, and I end up singing. Trouble seems to up and disappear. You touch me where the love should bring you. I can really lose when you're near. Day after day, I must face the world of strangers. When I don't belong, I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. She will always there when there's no getting over that train road. One must mold as the dreams won't come true. I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is a voice that wakes me mornings and sends me out to the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the mad sense that I make. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's so true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? When I was young, I listened to radio, waiting for my favorite song. When to play, I sing along. It made me smile. Though it's such happy times, and that's so long ago, how I wonder where they're gone. But they back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shine. Shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing so fine. When they got to the part where it's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday's once more. Will simply be me. Don't love me for what you intend. Hope that I would be. Sorry, po. And if you're only using me to be your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go. I must be free. For simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend. I hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go. I must be free. Pasensya na po. Ngayon ko lang to kinantang medley. Parang nakakalito.